Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg curry simple. Start by gathering your ingredients for a delicious egg curry. You'll need about 6 hard-boiled eggs, 2 large onions, and 3 ripe tomatoes. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and a few green chilies for a kick. Make sure you have your essential spices like turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala on hand. This simple preparation sets the stage for a fantastic meal in under 30 minutes. Now, let's build the flavorful gravy. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Sauté your finely chopped onions until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Next, add the ginger garlic paste and green chilies, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Finally, stir in your chopped tomatoes and cook them down until they soften and the oil begins to separate, creating a rich base. It's time to add the magic of spices. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1½ teaspoons of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala into your gravy base. Cook these spices for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly to release their aromas. Then, pour in 1 cup of water and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Carefully place your peeled, hard-boiled eggs into the simmering gravy, ensuring they are well coated. For the grand finale, let the egg curry simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Just before serving, garnish generously with fresh chopped coriander leaves for a burst of freshness and vibrant color. Serve this delightful, easy egg curry hot with your favorite rice, naan, or roti. This simple recipe provides 4 generous servings, perfect for a quick and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.